If you weren't aware, Bosnia-Herzegovina is the new kid on the travel block in Eastern Europe, and it's absolutely freaking brilliant. Cheap, easy to travel, fascinating, and drop-dead gorgeous, I was quickly taken with this little Balkan country and perhaps never more than by its second city of Mostar. Located in the south, Mostar is just a hop, skip, and a jump from cities like Dubrovnik in Croatia and Kotor in Montenegro, and makes an ideal sister destination to either of these. This is Mostar, Bosnia.
Mostar. Aren't you come? Mama is ringing you. No, you stay here.
The main reason why we made the trip to Mostar is to see the gorgeous bridge Stari Most, which is a 16th century Ottoman bridge that crosses the river Neretva and connects the two parts of the city. The old bridge stood for 427 years until it was destroyed in November 1993 by Croatian forces during the Croat-Bosniak War. The bridge was reconstructed using original stones they found in the river and reopened in July 2004. After exploring the iconic bridge, it was time for us to grab some food, and we found this amazing street side restaurant called Tima Ilma, which offered us delicious kebabs. As we walked along the bridge, we were treated with amazing view of the old town, and also we could see the old mosque, which is a very famous one in Mostar, and we were treated with this magnificent view, as you can see from the bridge. Here's this interesting fact about this old bridge. People can actually jump from the top of the bridge. Now you can see people are standing on top of the bridge and they're ready to jump, and it is actually allowed, and many gather beneath to grab their iconic snaps of somebody jumping from the top of the bridge. We climbed the twisty stone stairs of this famous mosque in Mostar, and you can see this is the reason why we came up, because it's offering amazing view of the old city as well as the old bridge of Mostar. Located on the east bank of Neretva river is the cobbled street of the old town. It is also adorned by local shops displaying the local artifacts. We took a walk along the streets and had a very memorable time, and a beautiful view as well of the old city of Mostar. As the sun sets and the crowd thins out, the night in Mostar becomes very magical. As you can see, the bridge and the river is illuminated during the night and gives an amazing ambience. While heading back from Mostar, we decided to visit the Krevais Falls. It is just 45 minutes drive from Mostar. This marks the end of our trip as we headed back to Croatia, and also the end of our vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it.